It's time to make our Saint's wreath for the front door. The first thing we're going to start doing is fluffing out our wreath. This was purchased from, I believe, Michael's or Hobby Lobby. It was half off. But you can pick them up anywhere. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics, Walmart, Target. Everybody sells these kind of basic wreaths. All I'm going to do is fluff it out. And there you go. Once you have it all fluffed out, you're ready to decorate. I'm going to be using the same fleur-de-lis that I used on my tomato cage Christmas trees on the wreath for the door. And again, this was from Hobby Lobby, and I just spray painted it the black. And I'm going to hot glue it right onto here. You just want to kind of nestle it in there. Maybe you can come back and rearrange the greenery around it. And you just want to hold it into place until it's secure. This is going to be the bottom of my wreath. Just hold on there for a couple seconds. All right, and we should be good to go. Now we're all set to add the rest of the balls and the ribbons. All right, I've got all the balls out, all of the gold, silver, white. These balls are from Dollar Tree, and then the black balls were from Hobby Lobby. But again, you can find Christmas ornaments anywhere. Usually we really like to wait to the end of the season to pick them up when they're 90% off. I know I have a lot of black, gold, and white stuff that I have packed away from years past that I can go ahead and pull out too, but I wanted to be able to record this for you guys and get it up and give you some ideas. So let's start decorating. everything is glued and dried. Now I'm just gonna add a ribbon. All right, to the front of the fleur-de-lis, I'm gonna glue one of these bows that I got from the Dollar Tree right here. And then I'm gonna weave in my black and gold ribbon throughout the rest of it. Now that I've weaved the ribbon through, just to get a placement idea, I'm gonna go back and hot glue it in certain spots so that it stays put. And there we go, the completed wreath. So happy with how it came out. I posted on Instagram the other day that Hobby Lobby had all their fall stuff 90% off, and all of the football decorations were also included in that. So I found these really cute football picks, and I knew I could use them in decorating this year. So I didn't add them to my tomato cage Christmas trees, but I'm going to, and I'll film that and upload that. But I am going to add them to the wreath. So I'm just going to remove them from the stick and then go ahead and glue them on. My Saints Christmas wreath is all done. Who dat? There's the footballs all glued in, and I did 5 of them. And then I will also add them to the tomato cage trees and everything will coordinate. I'm so happy with how it turned out.